Shubor nakaslem jong unong Saiñ Hima.
Menteri Rangba kejala ukan rat sangma habakran syikilat patai kubur mentaka sni ke khat santri ukala lingkot arajar pesan. Ulaong bah kam Saiñ Hima kedon kam ban bu syadien ke jing sngau Ñiam dak ba benrap baki pat ba kila ban shim ya karai yanu kin jien. Haka juga por Menteri Rangba ulaong baka sorkar jela kam nyo shiliang khmat ya kanu ke Seng Saiñ perthai haka jinya khon ya ke election hendrai ulaong babaro ki Seng Saiñ perthai ki long ki ba khlan bor bat ki batrai shitam. Ulaong baka NPP ke shim babaro ki liang persya ki long kumjo bat kilong ki batre shitam kumta ka Seng kam nyo ben yano. Shushu ulaong baka Seng NPP haringkat ki kertong ki latre shitam na kabenta banyak hun yak election MDC sya KHADC bat JHADC. Ulaong babaro ki jingyak hun election kilong ki ba hendrai Ngim dei ban ngos kam ngi dei ban tre shitam khnang ban yo yak jingjob. Shushu ulaong ru baka sorkar jela kan pentikna baka numdan kanu ke jing thot ha ke jing penyat yak election habaro ki benta jong ke jing pen khre yak election sya KHADC bat JHADC.
The district council elections, as you're aware, are coming up in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jente Hills Autonomous District Council. And of course, we as a political party are working very hard and our candidates for at least the first and second list of candidates has come out, and is that all the candidates are working very hard. Even yesterday we had a review meeting with the candidates and we're getting very positive response. But of course I've maintained this from day one that every election is different, every election is tough. There's no question of being overconfident. We have to work hard, which we are, and we're hopeful that things will be positive and we will win in this district council elections, both in Jente Hills and Khasi Hills. But of course there are challenges. We have to work hard. Our candidates are at the grassroots even as we speak now, and even from the party side, all our different leaders are all prepared from throughout the state to work tirelessly during this coming elections. From the overall preparation from the government point of view, government has taken all necessary steps to ensure that the elections will be smooth. All the necessary administrative work, the manpower required, the machines required, all of that has been taken care of, and we expect that the elections will be going smoothly.
So do you see anti-incumbency factor will have an impact on the NPP because it is leading in both the ADCs, and the opposition parties are alleging that both these ECs have miserably failed during the past 5 years terms?
See, anti-incumbency is always there for any government. You cannot avoid that. But if you look at the work that has been done by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, a large number of bills that have been cleared, so many pending issues that were there which were not taken up in the past, was cleared by this current EC. And so therefore one cannot say that that they have failed miserably. Yes, there are a lot of challenges, a lot of issues that are there, but many innovative things, many important projects. Recently the research scholars that they have brought forward, and they have funded them to have the entire database and documentation of the Khasi culture, the language in different aspects. I mean, these are very positive signs of how this particular EC is working in a positive way to take the region and the district council forward. So opposition will say many things, but this EC has done very well. As I said, a lot of pending issues that were there have been resolved. A lot more work is left, but we will continue to do the work in the future.
So we have seen the newly...
I don't have any comments on that. That is up to the particular political party on how they want to do this. But I think our society has always maintained that we always want to keep these aspects of religion away from politics. So I think society will decide, people will decide. I have nothing to say. I have no comments about what kind of politics they're playing or they're not playing. That is up to them. But I think at the end of the day, the people are going to vote, the people will decide, and I'm sure people will look into all aspects before voting.
Do you think VPP is a main threat to NPP?
As I said, for us, we don't look at any party lightly. For us, all political parties are equally important. I have maintained from day one that for me, every single candidate, every single opposition party who contest are there as our opposition, and it is incorrect for any of us as political leaders, candidates, or as a party to undermine anybody or overrate anybody. So for us, every single opposition is the same. Today, all political parties, the Congress, even the TMC, even the UDP, even the our coalition partners, they're all working very hard. So therefore, I don't think it's possible for us to say that this is the main party. Everybody is strong, everybody is working hard, and we as a political party will go with the mindset that every single opposition is strong and we have to work hard.
Do you have any understanding?